Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures or the other way around. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got 2 different options, so buttons and gestures. Before we will set the gestures, I just wanted to draw attention to the button layout. So basically you can reorder the back button and the recents, and here you can manage circle to search and digital assistant from Google. Alright, so to set the gestures we have to simply tap on this animation. Your device will ask you whether you'd like to go through the tutorial and learn the gestures. I don't want to do it, I will also explain them in a second. Instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. We can hide it if you wish, just by using this switcher, and it's obviously up to you. Here we've got more customization option, again circle to search, and sensitivity to back gesture, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that, and if you can see this arrow you can release the finger. The same situation from the left side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.